Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can crop with or in custom shapes, how you can use a choppy crop in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva, but if you don't have one, you can try to download it for free. You can install it on your system. Don't forget to sign up with your account, and then you can click apps, and under Staff Favorites from 2024, these apps the Canva team use on repeat this year, you can click on Choppy Crop. Crop your images in any way you like. You can easily crop out unwanted areas or crop your image into a funky shapes using Choppy Crop. Let's start by using new design. You can choose the canvas here. For example, for Instagram story, here you can select an image on your design to get started, and you can drag your image here and click where you like to the crop selector to crop the image. Clicking the first point will complete the crop. So let's crop this cat. If you mess up, you can reset it. And so picture will be available once cropping is complete. So if you're free to try, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.